Is your garage door making more noise than usual, or does it seem to jerk and stutter as it moves? The problem might be worn rollers. Rollers are essential for smooth operation, allowing your door to glide effortlessly along the tracks. When these rollers wear out or get damaged, it not only disrupts this smooth movement, but also increases strain on other components, potentially shortening the life of your garage door. Don't let a small issue turn into a big one. If you're in the Horsley area and facing this problem, call us now at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to restore the seamless operation of your garage door. Act now to ensure your garage door works perfectly when you need it most.